As the name suggests, the stem stitch is a great stitch for the stems of flowers and other plants. It's also a beautiful decorative stitch, and it has a bit of a twisted look to it as it is stitched. You want to come up, and you're going to come down a bit of a distance from your first stitch, because your second stitch is going to come up in between where you're going up and down for your first stitch. And you're going to actually work backwards, coming up halfway between where your first stitch started and ended, and you're going to come up on the left side of your stitch. The important thing when you're doing the stem stitch is to always come up on the same side. And you're going to come down about a half distance from your first stitch. So here your stitches, it's almost like doing the back stitch, except your stitches are staggered from each other. And by doing this, it creates a bit of a twisted kind of look of the line you're creating. And it also makes your thread look a little bit thicker. Like I said, it makes a beautiful stem for flowers, and also just a decorative line. So that is your stem stitch. You can see how it kind of has this twisted look since you're staggering your stitches over one another.